Now, we're going to take up one more problem on projections of laminas, the problem number 100. How to solve this problem by using AutoCAD software. The problem reads as a regular hexagonal lamina of size 25 mm is lying in such a way that one of its sides on HP while the side opposite to the side on which the truss is on VP. If the lamina makes 60 degrees to HP, draw the projections of the lamina. So this is the problem, and the solution is, the final solution is this one. So now in this solution it contains XY line, front view, top view, and front view and top view. So to do that, so first we'll go to AutoCAD screen, switch off the grid mode and switch on the ortho mode. So first we'll go for the limits command. Go to lower left corner 0, 0, upper right corner 297, 210. Then zoom on. Then go to line command. Select some arbitrary point at the lower left corner of your screen. Click on the first button of the mouse and drag the mouse towards the right side. Take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. Again take the cursor to the top side. Take some distance and click on first button of the mouse. Then go to offset. Take the distance as 297. Select this vertical line and offset to the left side. And go to offset. Take the distance as 210. Select this horizontal line and offset to the top side. Then go to zoom extents and zoom 0.6x. And then go to fillet between this vertical line and this horizontal line, between these two again, and also between these two. Once you do that, then go to layer, select this, click on new, type the layer by name XY, enter, click on new, type the layer by name front view, enter, click on new, type the layer by name top view. Now as we see, the line weight of this as 0.05, because all the projector lines will contain on layer 0, so it will be 0.05. Layer XY line will going to have 0.13, and the front view will going to have 0.5, and the top view will going to have again 0.5. So once you do that, now the top view will going to contain the magenta color, and the front view will going to contain the blue color. So once you do that, you close this and then go to line. So first we are going to draw a polygon of hexagon, which is 6 sides. So to do that, go to polygon. So take the number of sides as 6 and take the edge option. Select some point, arbitrary point here, and drag this. Now as I drag the mouse, the hexagon will going to have this. Now we need to give the distance. The distance is now here, as it says, it is 25 mm. So you just give type 25. So it will going to draw the hexagon. Then once you do that, then go to line, draw a horizontal line and take intersection part of this. Then again, you just go to line command, draw a line from intersection of this and perpendicular to this line. Similarly, line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly, line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Then go to fillet between this line and this line, similarly between these two. Once you do that, then go to zoom window, then go to break this line, first point, take int of this and then say at the rate and then enter. Then you select this line, take these two and make that layer as front view. Similarly, escape, click on this, go to layer, make this layer as top view. If you want to deselect this, you just press escape. Then you click on the line weight display on. Then go to copy, select this entire thing and copy it to the next position. Then go to zoom previous, then go to rotate and take this entire thing, go to end point. So now what I need to do is I want to rotate the second position by an angle of 60 degrees. So to do that, so counterclockwise direction is positive, so the rotation angle is 60. Then go to line, take end point of this, and now we are writing the second position top view. You take intersection part of this to perpendicular to this, then go to line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. So once you do that, then you're going to get this trim this line. So again, draw from here and also from here, these two. Similarly from endpoint and also from C and D. So to do that, go to line, take endpoint and take the cursor. How to select the endpoint of this? So as you move the cursor to the next position on the same line, so it takes the endpoint of this and drag, click on that first button of the mouse and drag this down and click on again on the first button of the mouse and take line int of this. Go to line, take intersection point of this, draw perpendicular to this line. Similarly line, take intersection point of this and draw perpendicular to this line. Again go to fillet between this line and this line. Similarly go to line, take endpoint of this and then go to fillet. Now here don't do line from intersection, but since we are already having line here, just go to fillet between this line and this line, and similarly fillet between this line and this line. So then only you are going to get like this. So here it is a continuation line. So then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this and take intersection point of this. Similarly line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. So go to line, take int of this, line, intersection, line, take intersection point of this and take int of this. Then go to line, take int of this and take intersection point of this. Now we have the hexagon. Then now we are going to break this. Take first point F, intersection point of this and say at the rate, enter. Similarly break first point, take int of this and take at the rate. Now similarly break first point, int of this and say at the rate, then break first point, int of this and say at the rate, and then break, select this, take first point, int of this and say at the rate. Now once you get this, now we go for the top view and then go to layer, make this as top view. Then you just go to line, take intersection part of this and you drag this. Now as we move, so they rotate, opposite side has to rest on VP. So which is the side which has to rest on VP? So this side has the one which has to rest on VP. So to do that, so first I am going to copy this entire thing by selecting the window. So you copy it to the next position and then we need to rotate this such that this side should go to the top. So therefore we need to rotate this by an angle of 90 degrees in counterclockwise direction, so it is positive. Then go to move, take previous selection, means it will select all the entities which has been drawn. Then go to nearest point on this, then go to perpendicular to this line. So once you do that, then you just erase this line, then go to line, take intersection part of this and drag to this intersection point. Similarly line, take int of this and drag this on this side. Now we have these 2 points, so go to line, take int of this and then go to line, int of this and perpendicular to this line. So line int of this, take perpendicular to this, then these 2 points will be on the xy line. So then go to line, take line int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Similarly line, take int of this and draw perpendicular to this. Then go to fillet between these two and fillet between these two. Similarly you just go to break first point, take int of this and say at the rate and enter. Then go to line, take int, take intersection part of this, take intersection part of this. Similarly line, int of this and take intersection part of this and take an intersection point of this. Then go to select between these lines, these 5 lines, and change that layer to the front view. Now we have all the things which has been written. Then go to line, take int of this and drag this on this side. So now then zoom window, select this. So you select this line, select this, and also you select this. Go to layer, make that layer as XY. Then go to break this on this side and also break it on this side. Then go to DDIM, go to modify, then take primary units as linear dimension precision as 0, text height is 3, and align with the dimension line. Vertical becomes above, and take offset from the dimension line as 3. Symbols and arrows, take the arrow size as 3, and go to lines, take the offset from the origin as 3, and say OK and say close. Now we go for dim, take int of this and take intersection point of this. So you're going to get it as 25. Then go to angular, select between these two lines. So you're going to get it as 60 degrees. Then dim TED, select this edit dimension and take this as 60 degrees. Now we go for D text. So here you mark this as text height as 3 and mark this as capital X, capital VP and capital HP, and you mark this as capital Y. And here you mark this as small a, B and C, C and D and E and F. So here you mark it as A dash, B dash and C dash, and then D dash, then here E dash, then here it as F dash. Once you do that, then you just move in. So take X and move this here, similarly VP and similarly HP. As I select this, okay. Then similarly move, take A, you take B, you take C, you take D, you take E, and you take F. Once you do that, then go to A dash, you mark this as B dash, and you mark this as C dash. Similarly, D dash and E dash, and then F dash. So first you select this and VP, go to layer, make this as front view. Then take these two, DC and EF and HP, go to layer, you take this as top view. Now we are going to copy this. So copy A dash here, then B dash here, then C dash here, then D dash here, then E dash here, then F dash here, then copy, take A and this A will come here, then B, this B will come here, and this C will come here, and that C will be here. Similarly D on this, and here D. Similarly E will come this side and also on this side. Similarly F, so F will come here and on this side. Now we need to copy this now. So A dash, B dash, C dash, D dash, E dash and F dash. So corresponding points in the front view. So to do that, go to the text. So here you take the text height as, go to A dash and you mark this as B dash, and you mark this as C dash, and you mark this as D dash, and you mark this as E dash, and you mark this as F dash. So here just go to move, So you take A dash, you take B dash, you take C dash, you take D dash, you take E dash, and here you take it as F dash. So you just click on all these corner points and change that layer to front view. Once you do that, so again you move this Y somewhere here and go to break this line till here, and this is how you will be able to create this drawing by using AutoCAD software. This is going to be the final solution. This final solution is same as this, but of course here they are given the directions of projections. It is not required to be given in the examination, and hence it need not be shown. Thank you very much.